All right, straight back, easy now.
Just a little more.
Okay, hold it there. As you can see, the logistics of moving these frozen goods globally requires precision. This data confirms cold chain efficiency.
It's loud down here, but the results speak for themselves. From this before sample to this after, complete clarity every time. This coarse grind dramatically increases the surface area, which is absolutely crucial for the extraction process you'll see next.
Now that the pH level has reached 3.8, the acidic environment is actively breaking down the collagen bonds in the tanks below.
We've seen the process from raw material to refinement. Now, it is finally ready. Ready for the cook.
We break these crucial bonds, which is exactly where the acid bath comes in. This process is absolutely crucial for creating that perfect gummy texture. This right here, this is our liquid gold. And while it might look like soup, it's actually pure protein. Next up, filtration.
While the big chunks are gone, the liquid still has impurities. That's where the ion exchanger comes in, working just like a molecular magnet.
The ion exchange process allows the resin beads to capture the unwanted color and odor compounds, resulting in a clear, polished fluid.
These beads have an electric charge that pulls impurities out of the gelatin just like a magnet pulling iron filings. Without this step, the gummy bears would taste like pork soup.
Lift on your side now. Wait, watch the edge. Okay, pull.
We have turned waste into purity, but it's still just water and protein. Now we have to remove the water.
We heat it instantly here, then cool it down just as fast. It's the shock and awe. Increasing the surface area by making these noodles helps them dry faster. And don't try eating them yet, they are flavorless rubber.
This powder is the blank canvas for the candy industry. Odorless, tasteless, and powerful.
The sugar syrup provides the energy and body. Then we add the structural glue, this gelatin solution. Without it, we just have hard candy.
The flavor laboratory. This is where the magic happens, where computer-controlled injectors add the precise amount of acid, flavor, and color.
The acid doesn't just mix, it cuts through the sweetness. We can almost feel the sourness being introduced.
Now, this is Gummy candy liquid and candy el liquor.
We've taken bags of sugar and our golden protein powder, cooked them with culinary precision, and dosed them with flavor and color. But right now,
This isn't just any ingredient. It's the unsung hero of gummy manufacturing, acting as a temporary recyclable mold that
The challenge is depositing exactly 2.3 grams of this hot, sticky liquid into thousands of tiny holes per.
If you ate one of these bears right now, it would be a hot, gooey mess, not a chewy gummy. It's like cake batter. This is how it runs. This.
They will rest here for anywhere from 24 to 48 hours. This heat drives the moisture out.
The curing time is over, but the bears are still trapped in their starch prisons. We need to separate the candy from the mold and give them their final shine.
Nothing is wasted here. The starch is dried, cleaned, and sent back to the mogul machine for the next batch, creating a sustainable closed-loop system.
These are sticky and dull. In this giant beauty salon, they receive a micro-thin coating of carnauba wax, crucial to prevent them from clumping together in the bag.
This machine is the ultimate quality gatekeeper, ensuring every single bear is perfect. It's been an incredible journey through the acid baths and polishing drums to this final product. It's a big blend of